Imagine living only 35 minutes away from the downtown Dubai in this community that doesn't even make you feel like you are in the UAE. This community is inspired by nature and you have 70,000 plus trees as you get out of your villa. If you come and visit this place, you will feel like you are in a heaven which is surrounded by trees. The amount of greenery in the area will definitely help to control the temperature during intense summers. We are still collecting tokens. The community is still in the EOI stage and you can easily multiply your money because you're entering in the first phase of the community. Plus, you have an excellent payment plan that nobody else is giving you in the region. Hi everyone, myself Chelsea Kukreja, your Dubai real estate expert. And in today's video, I will be bringing to you a very renowned, beautiful community in the heart of Sharjah, just about 35 minutes away from the downtown Dubai. This community is located right next to the Sharjah airport. It would hardly take you 6 minutes to get to the airport and the famous mosque. I will be discussing the launch of their new community, which is Masar 2. You must have already heard about the famous community which they built previously, which is Masar 1. A lot of people planning to invest in the UAE for their end use where they can live in 1-2 years definitely have Masar as among their first choices when it comes to villas and townhouses. I will take you inside the community, we'll discuss their upcoming launch details, what are their offering, villas, townhouses, the configurations, the payment plans and what they offer in this community. Along with what they have delivered in the past, I'll show you a video of their show villa. Now I'll give you a community tour and show you what this developer has already built. So currently I'm standing in Masar 1, which is among their first communities of townhouses and villas. And now we are talking about Masar 2, which is the upcoming launch. So Masar 2 is actually going to be a replica of Masar 1, or I would say even better and bigger than this. Imagine living with your family in such a community which is so nature friendly. You have so many green spaces, numerous walking tracks to walk around and away from Dubai's intensive heat. So this is exactly about 30 minutes from the downtown. And this is where you get to live. There will be more than 70,000 trees in the community, which also means that you will not experience intense heat as you would do in other areas of the country. So you have numerous amenities for your kids, including open air spaces. You have your kids play area where your kids can enjoy numerous activities. You also have a lazy river. So this is how the townhouses would look like. This would be the corner, these would be the middle townhouses. And this is how the villas would look like that come with a private pool. In this entire community, you'll have numerous amenities, including a pool. You'll have a gym, numerous food trunks where you can have food in the evening and chill. You will have everything inside the community, including a community center where you can have supermarkets and numerous other retails where you can shop for your daily needs. So you can see here the price, size and the configuration of what's available for you to buy in this community. Now if you look at this, you rarely get a good 2-bedroom apartment of this size in such a community for 1.5 million AD. So that makes a great choice, and plus you're getting a townhouse with your own land. Today, if you go and buy a villa of this size and the plot area, then you would spend at least 6 million AD. However, if you're looking in such a community with such greenery and beautiful open spaces, you would be expected to go to at least 8 million AD. So here you're getting a similar configuration for only 4 million. That too with a private pool of your own. The best part is that it's really a good product for your end use to stay with your family your entire life in the UAE, and it's also great if you look from an investment point of view. As I already discussed the kind of prices that are going on for villas versus what you're getting at this place. The next best part is the payment plan. You only have to pay 5% down payment to secure a unit, and along with that you'll be paying a 4% registration fees, which is as usual. So total of 9% down, and the next 5% you'll be paying within the next 30 days from the date of booking. After that, you have remaining 25% left to be covered in the next 2 years. The handover of the project is in the year 2027 Q4. So you will be covering a total of 35% under construction along with the 4% registration fees, and you will be paying the rest 65% on handover. Imagine who is giving you this kind of a payment plan in such a community in the whole of the area. So even if you are someone who is planning to take a mortgage from the bank, in that case as well, you will only end up paying 35% from your pocket, and the rest 65% you can get a loan from the bank at a very good interest rate, and that too up to 25 years. There are very few units in the entire community of townhouses and especially villas. So get in touch with me now. My WhatsApp handle is given below. The LinkedIn and Instagram are also there. If you want to schedule a viewing and have a look at the community yourself, drop me a message and my team will get back to you. Do it at the earliest so I can get you a good unit. This is Chelsea Kukureja signing off from today's video. See you in the next video. I will be bringing a lot more communities and areas. So stay tuned, keep sharing, liking and subscribing, and drop in the comment section what you want me to cover next and what do you like about this video.